In our previous class, we discussed the topic of environmental health. It involves studying and addressing issues related to air and water quality, hazardous substances, food safety, waste management, and other environmental factors that can affect human health. In today's class, we will discuss the topic of air pollution. This is unwelcome chemicals, gases, and particles that enter the air and atmosphere. It is called air pollution. This harms wildlife and disrupts the Earth's natural processes. Various causes of air pollution. 1. The burning of fossil fuels. 2. Agricultural activities. 3. Exhaust from factories and industries. 4. Mining operations. 5. Indoor air pollution. Techniques for preventing air pollution. 1. Utilize public transit. Encourage increasing usage of public transportation to cut down on pollution. 2. Conserve energy. When you leave the house, turn off the lights and fans. To create power, a lot of fossil fuels are used. The ecology can cease from deteriorating if there is a reduction in the number of fossil fuels burned. 3. Emphasis on clean energy resources. These days, clean energy technologies like geothermal, wind, and solar are very popular. Consumers who are interested in installing solar panels in their homes have been receiving grants from the governments of various nations. 4. Utilize energy-saving technology. Compared to conventional lighting, CFL lights use less electricity. They live longer, consume less electricity, pay less for electricity, and because they use less energy, they also help to reduce pollution. Thanks for watching. See you in next the video.